Susan. Today I'm going to upcycle this box and make it into a storage for a lot of my bigger items in my crafting stash. I like the detail around the edge, and I give it a good cleaning with a Clorox wipe and just clean it as best as I can. Now this box was built by my daddy, and it was painted by my mom. And I always feel bad covering up, but I do have lots of stuff she's painted. And it's just the style's not mine. But she wood burned it, and I want to keep that detail in it. Before I go any further, I want to tell you about this Make It New challenge. It's hosted by Jessenia of Be Thrifty too, and co-hosted by Marika of Marika Creations. I have done many collabs and challenges with these ladies, and they are so talented and very kind and sweet. And I highly recommend you check out their channels as well as the playlist. You will not be disappointed. I will have them listed in my description box down below. Once I get my box cleaned, I start painting it with Waverly's chalk paint and ink. And I just give it one good coat. I don't worry about total coverage because I want that distressed look. And yes, it does hurt me to cover up my mom's work, but she was a crafter also, and she would have understood. She would have probably changed it herself. Once my paint dries, I take this Deco Art metallic paint and I just do a dry brush all over, trying to highlight the part that's been wood burned to give me the design. I'm really liking the gold on this black and just the subtleness of it, and when the light hits it, being able to see the wood burned detail. The camera really doesn't do it justice. I also want to highlight the scalloped edge that my daddy had carved. Once this is dried, I give it a coat of the paste finishing wax. I just rub it in with an old t-shirt and just let it bring out the beauty of the paint. Now on the outside, I decide just to run my sandpaper over it just lightly to smooth it before putting the paste on there. The paste just adds something to it that you don't realize is missing. And here's how it turned out. I think it's beautiful. You can see the detail. I still have the drawing that my mom did, and I think it's just highlighted beautifully. And it's a great storage box. It's a really big box, and it holds some of my wreath forms and extra signs and canvases and such. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when my videos are uploaded. And then leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye, y'all.